Okay, we are doing illustration 3. Let's first check out the trial balance. Now, trial balance of partnership firm of Yash and Jash as on 31/3/2017 is as follows. Now, let's start marking. Now, trial balance is given as on 31/3/2017 drawings. Yash and Josh and capital account will directly go to capital account. Opening stock, trading, customer, asset, purchase, trading, wages, trading, bill receivable, asset. Now we have investment and date is also given and percentage is also given. So we have to check कि ये जो हमने investment किया उसका interest हमें मिला कि नहीं. So on the right hand side, so on the credit balances, we have interest on investment. Now you need to calculate 6% 1/4/2016. So for the full year, so 10,000 to 6% comes to 600, but we received only 300. So you have to take this. It's a hidden adjustment interest on investment, which can be done along with 6% investment, or when we go for interest on investment, we can do it. You can write H over here. Then investment will go to asset, salary, profit and loss. Cash balance, asset, discount allowed, profit and loss, goods return. Now goods return 2400. What is this goods return? Purchase return or sales return?
Sales return.
It is sales return. Okay, now you can unmute yourself. This is sales return, so this will be deducted from sales. So tick sales over here. Bad debt, profit and loss. This is as per trial balance. Right bracket में T. Profit and loss. Stationery expense, profit and loss. Office expense, profit and loss. Motor car, asset. Building, asset. Prepaid office expense, asset. Suppliers, liability. Bills payable, liability. Sales, trading. Interest on investment, profit and loss. We also have hidden adjustment because interest 600 मिलना चाहिए पर मिला सिर्फ 300. So 300 is receivable. Yeah, क्या हुआ नंदिता? Okay, bank overdraft, liability, goods return. Now what is this goods return? What is this goods return?
Purchase.
Minus purchase.
Purchase return. So we minus from purchase. Trading. Okay, so goods return हो जाएगा minus from purchase. Tick कर लो. Rent received, profit and loss. Discount received, profit and loss. Bad debt reserve as per trial balance, profit and loss. उसमें से minus करना है. Goods withdrawn for personal use. Purchase में से कर देंगे minus. टिक कर दो purchase को. Minus purchase and outstanding wages, liability. Outstanding wages, liability. Now check कर लो ये tally हो गया कि नहीं. 350. So tick कर दो. This should always tally. If this does not tally, it means that is suspense account. Now interest on capital, interest on drawing is only for 6 months later. Closing stock later. Outstanding stationery expense. So tick stationery expense. Then prepaid wages 400. Wages tick कर दो prepaid. Then rent received in advance 200. So rent received को tick कर दो. And discount is receivable 40. Discount को भी tick कर लो. Then from debtors, write off 1000 as bad debt and 5% bad debt reserve and 2% discount reserve. तो यहाँ पे बैड डेट का फॉर्मेट है, डिस्काउंट का भी फॉर्मेट आएगा. सो डिस्काउंट अलाउड को भी टिक कर लो, बैड डेट्स को तो हाँ बैड डेट्स को भी टिक कर लो, नहीं किया है तो, और डेटर्स यानी कस्टमर को 2 बार टिक कर दो. देन प्रोवाइड 10% डेप ऑन मोटर कार. Goods worth 2000 destroyed by fire. So again purchase को टिक करना है हमें. Purchase में 3 टिक आ गए, 1 for return, 1 for goods withdrawn, 1 for goods destroyed by fire. And insurance company admitted a claim of 80%. बाकी सब बाद में देखेंगे. 10% commission is payable to Josh from profit after deduction of commission from profit. So 10% commission after deduction, we will do it at the last after we find the profit. Now let's start the sum. Okay, we start with capital 50,000 and 40,000. Buy balance bought forward. Capital is 50,000 and 40,000. Capital drawings 8,000, 4,000. Okay, then opening stock trading account debit side 24,000. Two opening stock 24,000. Trading account में हमेशा first will always be opening stock. Then customers. Now let's say fixed asset में क्या है हमारे पास, मोटर कार है, बिल्डिंग है, इन्वेस्टमेंट है. Okay, so somewhere from the center customer 29,000 inner column. Customer यानी debtors 29,000 inner column minus bad debts as per adjustment minus bad debts reserve as per adjustment, and here we also have minus discount reserve. Discount reserve as per adjustment. So we'll see this later on. Bad debts, then total उसमें से bad debt reserve minus then the amount and उसके ऊपर discount reserve, then the outer column. Please do this format. Okay, customer done. Purchase. We have 3 in purchase, so uh, 3 things to be adjusted. So 2 purchases, amount of purchases 1,30,800. Purchase return we do it together only. Purchase return is 2,800. So what we are left with is 1,28,000. Then we have 2 adjustments. One is for goods withdrawn and one is for goods destroyed. So later on, if you want, you can write over here. Okay, goods withdrawn and goods destroyed. और नहीं लिखोगे तो भी चलेगा. You can do it later on when you do that adjustment. Then wages, inner column 2000. So two wages, inner column 2000. Bill receivable, current asset 6000. Go to balance sheet. $2,000. Then 6% investment 10,000. Outer column. Purchased on 1/4/2016. 10,000 outer column. इसको आउटर कॉलम ही रखेंगे. रिसीवेबल इंटरेस्ट को अलग से वी विल शो इट इन द बैलेंस शीट. ओके, सेपरेट आइटम. देन यू कैनॉट ऐड दिस टू द इन्वेस्टमेंट बिकॉज वो इन्वेस्टमेंट का वैल्यू इंक्रीज नहीं कर रहा है. वो इंटरेस्ट है जो हमें अलग से मिल जाएगा. सैलरी 12,000. सो प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट फर्स्ट टू लाइंस ऑलवेज ब्लैंक. टू सैलरी 12,000. Cash balance 3,500. Balance sheet asset. Then discount allowed. Now we have a format for discount allowed and bad debts. So we can do both together. Okay, or let's do discount first because it is given first. So to discount allowed as per trial balance plus discount reserve as per adjustment. Now here we don't have discount reserve as per trial balance. तो तुम्हें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. If you want to write, you can write. तो minus हो जाएगा discount reserve as per trial balance. But we know it is not there, so I am not writing over here. Okay. Next, goods return sales. So sales 2,04,000. Always trading account credit side first will be sales. Inner column 2,04,000 minus sales return 2,400. So 201600. Bad debt, do our format of bad debt to bad debt as per trial balance plus bad debt as per adjustment plus bad debts reserve as per adjustment, and separately you can show minus. Okay, minus bad debt reserve as per trial balance. Now bad debt as per trial balance amount is 400. We go as and when the amount comes. So right now just write 400. ये हम बाद में लिखेंगे. Then stationery expense 800 inner column to stationery expense 800 inner column. Office expense 2300 to office expense 2300. Then motor car 52,000 balance sheet asset. Motor car inner column 52,000.
सर
Huh?
बैलेंस शीट में बिल्स रिसीवेबल 6,000 है.
Oh, I've written 2. Okay, corrected 6,000. Okay. Motor car 52,000. उसके बाद building 60,200. 60,200. Now outer column building में कोई adjustment है नहीं. Then prepaid office expense 1,200. Okay, all the debit balances done. Just go through it once. Okay, now capital we have already done. Supply 16,400 balance sheet liability side. Then sales we have already done. Bills payable 8,000. Then interest on investment, profit and loss account, inner column, credit side 300. Leave first two lines blank. By interest on investment, inner column 300. Now it's a hidden adjustment, so let's solve it. Now 6% investment 1/4/2016. Year end is 31/3/2017. So we know full year 10,000 ka 6% 600. So 600 we should have received, but we received only 300. So 300 is receivable or outstanding. So I'll use the word receivable interest 300. So outer column 600. Give the second effect. Balance sheet asset receivable interest on investment 300. Next, bank overdraft 24260 liability. Bank overdraft 24260. Goods return already done. Rent received 600 inner column. Next, discount received inner column 400. Next, bad debt reserve as per trial balance. We already have made the format 2000. Next, goods withdrawn for personal use. Deduct from purchase 740. So let's calculate 127260. Okay. Then outstanding wages liability 500. But we also have outstanding wages again. Wait. Let me check the adjustments. Acha, prepaid we have 400. Okay, great. So directly you write outstanding wages outer column 500. ओके, नाउ चेक कर लो सब कुछ हो गया कि नहीं, हिडन एडजस्टमेंट हो गया, टू इफेक्ट्स दिया है कि नहीं. If done, we start with adjustment. Now, first adjustment is interest at 5% on capital. So, capital के नीचे interest on capital. So, by interest on capital. 5%, so 2,500. And 40,000, so 2,000. So interest on capital, capital के नीचे calculate करो, partners capital account credit, so P&L appropriation account debit, first two lines blank to interest on capital, Yash and Jash. So Yash का 2,500 और Jash का 2,000. So 4,500. Give the second effects. Next. Now we have interest on drawings, but interest on drawing is for 6 months, so 10% for full year. So 6 months का 5%, so directly 5% लेके कर सकते हो. So drawings के नीचे interest on drawings. To interest on drawing 5%, so 400 and 200. 8,000 का 10% is 800, तो उसका half is 400, and 4,000 का 10% is 400, उसका half is 200. Now partners capital account debit, P&L appropriation account credit by interest on drawings. Yash and Josh. 400, 200, 600. नाउ सी, ये इलस्ट्रेशंस जो है ना वो भी एक्सट्रीमली इम्पॉर्टेंट है फॉर योर एग्जाम, क्योंकि ऐसा हो सकता है कि सेम इलस्ट्रेशन ही आ गया एग्जाम में. तो एक्सरसाइज के सम्स तो है ही इम्पॉर्टेंट, बट इलस्ट्रेशंस को भी तुम इग्नोर मत करना कि ये तो इलस्ट्रेशन है ना, तो उसमें क्या आएगा. इनफैक्ट very good chances that illustration can also come in your exam. But best part is कि in exam, in final accounts, in your board exam 6 से ज़्यादा adjustments होंगे नहीं. ओके, ऐसा यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है. ओके, it's recommended that 6 से ज़्यादा adjustment होगा नहीं. So you are right now practicing sums where there can be more than 6 adjustments, but that's for practice. Just say illustration 4, there are 9 adjustments, hidden adjustments, but that is for practice. Okay. Next, uh, closing stock 15,000, market value 12,000. क्या लेंगे हम closing stock में? What amount we will take? 15,000 or
12,000.
12,000.
12,000. Very good. Buy closing stock 12,000. Second effect, balance sheet asset. Don't forget the second effects, please. 12,000. Next adjustment, outstanding stationery expense 500. So stationery expense में plus कर देंगे outstanding. 500. Outer column 1,300. Let's give the effect. Outstanding stationery expense. $500. Okay. Then prepaid wages 400. Anything you pay in advance, it is not your expense, it is your asset. So we deduct it from the expense and transfer it to our asset. So prepaid wages. कितना है prepaid wages? 400. 1600. Second effect, prepaid wages 400. Next, rent received in advance 200. अब जैसे paid in advance is not our expense, received in advance is not our income. So we have to subtract it from the rent. 200 rent received में से minus advance received 200. So 400. Second effect, anything you receive in advance is not your income because it's your advance, you have not yet given services. So it is your liability. So balance sheet, liability side, advance received or advance rent received. Advance rent received 200. Next, discount receivable 40. So receivable, so we have to add 40, add so 440. Red will be too harsh. So receivable discount 40, balance sheet asset okay. Then from debtors write off 1000 as bad debt, 5% bad debt reserve and 2% discount reserve. So 1000 bad debts we write off. 29,000 minus 1,000, 28,000, 5% is 2,800 ka half, so 1,400. And then 2%, 260 is 520, 532. Okay, nice. So 26068, 26068. Let's go now. Discount allowed. 1400 जो गलत लिखा बाकी था 1400 then discount reserve as per adjustment 532 add both of them 1932 bad debt as per adjustment 1000 bad debt reserve as per adjustment 1400 so total 2800 minus 2000 so 800 outer call. Provide 10% depreciation on motor car. Very simple. You can do it on your own. Depreciate. क्या क्या हुआ साहिल? Sahil, you want to say something? 5200. Just a moment. Okay, so कहाँ थे हम? Now, eighth adjustment. अच्छा, before we go for eighth, motor car, yes. Depreciation 5200 subtract कर दो. 46,800. Profit and loss account. Now, office expense के नीचे you write depreciation on motor car 5200. Next, goods worth 2000 destroyed by fire. An insurance company has admitted claim of 80%. So insurance company 80% claim accept किया. So 2000 का 80% is 1600. So insurance company balance sheet asset 1600. Receiver of claim debit the receiver balance sheet asset side. Then 400 is loss due to fire. So 2 loss due to fire 400. 2000 के गुड्स डिस्ट्रॉय हो गए 1600 का क्लेम एक्सेप्ट हो गया तो 400 का लॉस हो गया and goods goes out so we deduct from purchase goods destroyed that is 2000. So calculate 125260. Next, ninth adjustment is important. We have to find the profit first. Okay, so let's start closing. Now before closing check कर लो एक बार सबका टू इफेक्ट्स बराबर दिया है कि नहीं कुछ रह तो नहीं गया है standing expense prepaid wages rent debtors. Okay, if you are confident then you start closing. Uh, 2,13,600 credit side is more. We find out profit. So 2,13,600 minus 1,600 minus 125,260 minus 24,000. 62740 is our gross profit, which is transferred to profit and loss account. So to profit and loss account, gross profit. We transfer it by trading account. Bracket में gross profit. Six two seven four zero. Next. Try to find the profit. Okay, now over here, we have to see which side is more. So credit side seems more. So let's do the total. Six four one eight zero. Same total we write on the debit side. Now उसमें से हम subtract कर देंगे ये सब. Let's see इसका total क्या है. 23532. 23932. To profit and loss appropriation account. It is our net profit. Transfer it to P&L appropriation account by profit and loss account. Net profit. Okay, now over here, we need to first find out what is our net divisible profit. So let's do that first in rough. Okay, so we do a working note for partner Josh commission. Please do the working note. Now first we'll find out profit before commission. So let's see what is the credit side. 40848 is the total, minus 4500. 36348 is what you are getting is profit before commission minus. Now इसमें से subtract करना है commission, but this commission is after charging. ऐसा कहाँ दिया है? ऐसा यहाँ पे दिया है adjustment में. 10% commission is payable to Josh from profit after deduction of commission from profit. So commission 10% आफ्टर डिडक्शन या आफ्टर चार्जिंग है, तो यर we will use the formula 36348 into 10 divided by 110. So let's calculate it. It comes to 3304. So subtract it. What we get is 33044. This is profit after commission distributed between partners. Okay, now first let's pass the entry for this commission. This is partners commission. So over here to commission Josh, working note 1 you can say. Commission comes to 3304. Now let's do the total of credit side. We know credit side is more, we have already calculated it. Same we write on the debit side. Acha, before we close this, let's view the second effect of this. Commission we have to pay to Josh. So commission to Josh, or you can say outstanding commission to Josh, or partners commission है, तो why don't we transfer it to partners capital? Yeah, by commission Josh. कितना आया उसका कमीशन? 3304. 3304 बिकॉज पार्टनर है, मैनेजर होता तो लायबिलिटी साइड जाता, ही इज अ पार्टनर. Next, we now find out the net divisible profit, so which is 40848 minus 4500 minus 3304. So 33044 is the net divisible profit. So to partners capital account, Yash and Josh. Now what's the profit sharing ratio? Is given in the question anywhere? No. So it is to be taken equally. So profit, net divisible profit 33044. Transfer it to partners capital account by profit and loss appropriation account. One six five two two 16522. Now let's balance. Yash First, credit side 69022. Find the difference. Six zero six two two to balance carried forward. Josh, let's see. Credit side is more. Find his balance. 61826 minus 4200. 57626. Buy balance bought forward. Let's transfer it. Capital account. Yash and Josh. Do the totals. Let's see if it's matching or not. Great. Go through the question, see if you have any doubts. Trading account, then profit and loss account, profit and loss appropriation account, partners capital account, and the balance sheet. And this working, very important. Got it, all of you? Have you all done the sum? Anand?